friends, Mrs. Gaydam here. So today I'm going to show you more about Google Earth, and if you haven't been there before, today will be a great experience for you. And Google Earth takes quite a while to load, so you'll need to be patient with it. If you have slow internet, I don't know if this is the best option for you, but I'd like to just show you how it works. So you're going to launch from Earth. Launch Earth. And as you see, it's taking a little while to load, so be patient with it, and thank you for being patient with me. Okay, friends, so the top two are the ones I'm going to show you today. So today I'm going to show you Voyager. This will be where you get to explore. So editor's picks are the options that the editor of Google Earth here has chosen, and as you slide your bar down, you'll see the wildlife of Africa, museums around the world, and so on and so forth. And I would suggest that maybe you try searching for sea dragons in Sydney. This is the ocean agency. This would be a great place to start. And as I scroll back up, I'm going to show you that you can change what you look at based on the menu headings. So games, this will be like some of the quizzes, layers, street view, nature, culture, travel, education. I'm going to take you into travel for just a minute. And you should explore these. Some of these are really amazing, just wonderful. In travel, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. And there's lots of places that you can visit, but I'm going to show you Las Vegas for just a minute. And as I click into Las Vegas, Google Earth is going to move. Okay? And it's going to say, what do you want to see here in Las Vegas? So I'm going to ask to see the Las Vegas Strip, the highlights. So I will, and here's Las Vegas with kids. Okay? I'm going to show you this one. Click. And Google Earth is moving to the location of Las Vegas, Nevada. First, it's going to bring me to the Luxor Hotel. And the Luxor is a pyramid here. The Luxor right here. And I can say, okay, fly me there. Or I can use some of the options here. I'm going to move this over a minute. Some of the options here to take me there. So if I use plus, I can move in. If I say show me 2D, it moves up, or 3D. There we go. Ooh, neat. The Excalibur is right next door, so it's turning around. Okay, and if I press the Google Street View man, once I hold on to him using my trackpad, or if you have a mouse, that's fine, you have to bring him down on a location where there's a blue highlight. So this is actually inside the hotel. Inside the hotel, this one allowed me to go in. And this is a photosphere, so I'm going to go back out. And this time I'm going to say Street View, bring me down to the street. Any place there's a blue highlight is where you can go. I want to go right here on this street. Oh, garbage can. So I can take my mouse and I can spin around and I can look at what's happening here. I can move up and down and all the way around. Now, I would like to be further out. So I'm going to move down the road. And any place the Google Streetcar has gone, you may go. You can move down the road. Okay? And if I use this button, this is supposed to be the fly me there, like take me there. So if I click on it, it should just go right to it. There we are. One other note here is that if I don't just want to see the Luxor, I can go down to the bottom and I can choose the next option. Click. And now it wants to take me to the Excalibur. If I wanted to move down, I use the Street View guy and pop them right down. Okay, 2D, 3D. Cool. And now I'm going to say, okay, show me the next one. All right, we've got the MGM Grand. This is the inside, and if I wanted to see more on the inside, I could. In Voyager, I can choose any of the locations as long as I scroll down. One really cool Voyager discovery is to go underwater. I would highly recommend that you find the underwater one. You get to move up and down and see the ocean animals. Definitely take a look. But what I want to show you right now is this one, the search. So if I have a location like 480 Bennett Street, and I just searched it up recently, so that's why my computer knows it. Bennett Street. Now be careful because there's different places where there's Bennett Street. So you may have to add the word Muskegon in order to get to the correct location. Make sure that you're clicking on Muskegon if that's where you want to be, not these other places. Okay, Muskegon. And I'm going to take you to the school's location. This is Google Street View. The Google car came by our school, Marquette, and it took a photograph of what was happening. So this is not live action. This is like a photo stock of what was taken at the time where the Google Street car came by. So as you see, the screen is still blurry. It hasn't quite loaded everything. And I can do the same thing here as I did in the Las Vegas view. So I can use my 2D. I can say take me there. So let's do that. Let's have our, oh, and I can zoom in. Show me closer, Google. And I'm going to take the Street View man and I'm going to drop him onto the blue highlighted road. Yep, here we go. Sure. This will be probably Roberts Road. Oh, this is Marquette. It's telling me the address of where I'm at, and it's giving me the north and west, the longitude and latitude degrees. And as I use my mouse or my track finger to move around, I see the front of the school on Marquette. I see the playground. I wonder which kids those are. And so on and so forth. And I can move in a little bit. My bad. And I can't see which kids those are. Okay, so I can move down to the next road if I wanted to move this way. I just simply click up that way. Move. So if you would like to look for a location, you type it in here. Remember, you'll need to know that you're in Muskegon, Michigan. This is a good time to talk about your home address, the numbers on your house, and how to spell the name of your street. And remember that we don't give away our location to people we don't know. Please, dear friends, be very aware of what you're giving away. You don't give away your personal information. This is Google Earth. It's okay to type it in here. Okay? And the Voyager is the place where we can find the different explorations. So you'll select the headings here. All right, explore.